Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another review, it's another unboxing. What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good. But before I go far, if you are new here, you're welcome to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And voila, you're part of the graceful, the beautiful, and the wonderful family. Today, we're ahead of time. So today we're unboxing the P50 Pro. It just launched in South Africa and I was the first person in Vodacom is going to get it. I'm like, yo, the guy's good. So we're going to do an unboxing. Like I got like a couple of goodies. I got a gift. I also got another gift. And then, yeah, let's review what's in the box, right? Well, guys, I haven't upgraded in like 3 years. I think this is the longest I've had a phone. Before I would lose phones every year. I'd always upgrade every year. But this time around I kept it for 3 years and then I was like, let me spoil myself. Let's spoil the girl. So this is from Vodacom, right? And you've got options. You can do like a partial contract or you can do a contract, a normal contract. It goes for like 900 and something for 36 months. And then 1.67 for 24 months, and then you can also do like an upfront payment depending on how your finances look like. But I think this is a good deal. And then cash, it goes for about 20,000, but it also has a pocket version. It goes for 28,000 rand 99 if I'm not mistaken, right? So let's go into it, guys. I mean Huawei Han. So even the boxing tells you that it's actually a very good, gorgeous phone. And then before we go to the actual phone, right? I just want to send a special shout out to Huawei for staying considerate of their customers. You guys know that of late, you don't get a charger when you buy a new phone. You don't get a charger. You don't get earphones. They gave me free buds. You know, like it's like, as a Huawei customer, you're such a happy person because you get free buds and like Huawei is up to date with innovation. Like under normal circumstances, you probably get earphones, but they gave me buds, so I'm happy about this. And then also I've got like a 50 days warrant of screen. Should my screen break or anything of sort, I'll be able to fix it. And then I've got, hey, what happened to my charger, guys? Hey, I'm James. Okay, my charger is supposed to be in here, but I guess it's not. I removed it or something along those lines. But anyway, let's go into the phone and I'll tell you why I chose this particular device. Guys, look at this. Like, look at this. This is so stunning. Look at this. It's got a 50 megapixels of camera. It's got 16 MP front camera and it's got like 256 gig space. As well, you can like manipulate. Okay, not manipulate. Actually, this is probably 512. Yeah, 512 gig space. So you can imagine what I can do with my YouTube videos. And this is the last video I'm doing with my P30 Pro. So guys, please tell me if there's a difference, how it's going, if it's gorgeous, if it's not. So yeah. This is the phone. I opted for like the 512 gig because I take a lot of videos. So I can't afford a proper camera as yet with the big lenses. So I figured if I can get a phone that's close to a camera and a phone that can allow me to actually do my videos without struggle and in a very affordable manner, I thought, let me get myself a P50. So yeah, and it's 6.6, it's big enough. I really love big phones, and like I said, the main reason I got it is the camera, and it's very light and it's got a fast charger, so you can charge 100% in like 40 minutes, can get up to 78% in 30 minutes, so that's fast enough. And the battery life, it can last for 76 hours. So you can imagine, like Nakyazula, if you know me, you know that I love the streets. So I'm always in the streets, so not anymore. Like now I don't have to ask for people's chargers, power banks, people's cars and all of that. Now I can have a full battery for 76 hours. So you can imagine how excited I am. But there's a disadvantage. We don't have Google Play Store. We don't have, it's not 5G empowered. So yeah, it's a bit tricky, but I mean for the camera and for the space and for the battery life, I mean, it's more of a bargain and it's steep, right? But you guys buy your iPhones for like over 50k, 40k. So I mean, you know, this is a bit average for a good phone of the standard. I'm going to be able to blog. I'm going to be able to do everything that I need to do, right? So guys, like, I don't know what you think about this phone. If you're getting a P50 Pro, go to the stores. I think it's gonna finish like within a week because I went there, I was like, I want to be number one in line. You know, I even took a photo with the Huawei manager at Vodacom because she's like, oh my God, you're the first person to get it today and all of that. So I'm like, yeah, you know. So everyone else, if you want it, it's there, it's available. It launched today. You know, some people pre-ordered it and all of that. So yeah, guys, this is the phone. So you're probably going to see the difference in the videos that are coming after this one. Okay, guys. So I got a number of gifts, right? I got the buds. So the buds actually initially come with the phone because I mean, Huawei is generous, you know. So they decided, let's give you the original Huawei buds and you stop using the iPhone and all of that, you know. Let's fully use Huawei. Maybe I should just get a Huawei laptop and stay away from Apple, man. And we're full loyal Huawei customer, right? So I got this buds, but I'm not gonna unbox them because like I don't want this video to be very long. I want it to be a vlog, but I don't know what's happening at malls. They don't want us to take videos. Like security has kept on stopping me. You're not allowed. So I'm like, you know what? I'll do like a sit down where I unbox and then yeah. Maybe we can unbox this. So I got this as a gift for being the first person to get there. So I got a speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker. It's very nice. I love that it's portable and I can keep it at the office then when the bosses are not there. Yeah, so this is really nice. I like it. I love how portable it is, and yeah, it's wireless. And then I also got another gift, but I don't have it with me yet. I got a fitness watch that's worth around about 5,000 rand. I just need it to be delivered, so you can imagine. So if you want to get all these gifts that I got, and even more because it depends on your luck, go and get a Huawei P50 Pro and enjoy the camera lighting and enjoy your blogging and your photos. I mean, you weekend, guys. They said I should collect on a Monday. I'm like, never. Friday, because this is going to be a weekend that's proper, filled with a lot of memories and all of that. So yeah, guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to pray for another person. Be love, be light, and God bless you.